Hi everyone, and thank you for joining us today. Myself, I am Deepak, and with my teammates here, Poorna and Ravi.
Yeah. Hey everyone.
Hey, Deepak and Poorna. Glad to be here.
Yeah, today we are going to talk about something that's honestly like everywhere these days. As you may already know, artificial intelligence, and popularly it's known as AI, and how it is currently impacting the job market.
AI isn't just something like we see in sci-fi movies anymore. It's becoming a part of our everyday lives. And thinking about when you get recommendations on Netflix or when you chat with a bot on a shopping site, AI is everywhere.
Yeah, so right, the changes are really huge, right? So we're gonna talk about the shifting, like millions of jobs were affecting, like companies are moving, the industries and well as even government policies. So we are hoping to unpack this topic a bit today.
Yeah, so sit back. We'll walk you through like where and which places AI is really making a significant difference, and like what kind of jobs are being affected, and most importantly, what we can all do to prepare for this future, which is imminent right now. So yeah,
Okay.
let's
Yeah.
start with where AI is having a huge impact already. Purna, do you want to take this one?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, the most obvious area is probably the customer services. Like, when you have a basic issue with your bank or an online order, and let's say you end up chatting with the bot, right? So actually, that's an AI too. And handling routine customer queries or saving companies millions of dollars. So these are some of the areas nowadays AI is being used.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, in manufacturing, we are seeing smart robots on assembly lines, right? So these robots guided by AI and it used helping in repetitive tasks like packaging, like building, or doing something that manual human that can have some human error. So they work faster and more precise, and well, they have like don't get tired, right? That's a whole purpose.
So yeah, those are two amazing points, Purna and Ravi. So another big area where AI has a major impact is basically finance. AI algorithms are mainly used to detect fraud and also manage investments and also even approve loans in some cases. Like what they can do is they can analyze the huge amounts of data way faster than a manual person can do.
Let's not forget about healthcare. Like AI now helps doctors to read X-rays on or like MRI scans or predict patients' outcomes. They even assist in diagnosing diseases nowadays, and yeah, it's pretty incredible when you think about it on this healthcare field.
Yeah, so even in the creative areas, like you can see like ChatGPT, they have integrated some image models. We thought like which people are were safe, but AI is stepping in, right? It's actually like we have a number of tools that can generate artworks, music, even like it can write stories or code. So it's not just about a physical labor, like a job that being affected. So it's an intellectual and actual creative work to do.
So yeah, and that raises a very big question, right? So if AI can do all this, so I mean like from writing emails to even creating art. So where does that leave humans in the current workplace?
That's a big issue, right? So let's break it down. Which like job risks, which jobs are at risk, and which new ones are being created by AI. So I think Puna.
Yeah, well, generally, like the jobs with more repetitive tasks or predictable tasks, those I would say those jobs are at high risk. Some of the examples are like data entry jobs or basic accounting or routing customer services. Like these kind of jobs all the AI can handle in a way more efficient than a human can do. So, yep.
So yeah, there is also a flip side to this. So new jobs are also emerging because of AI. So we need right now many AI engineers, machine learning specialists, as well as data scientists to handle these kind of AI related stuff. And also we require AI ethics consultants, prompt engineers, so and so. And the list keeps on growing.
So also we can see a lot of existing jobs are changing. So for example, take marketing. So it's no longer just about writing slogans. It's marketers right now they are using AI tools to analyze customer data and optimizing campaigns, and also designers like you can see they are using AI to generate like early draft a prototype for an application. So in software development, software developers are using like AI assistants to like actually like work on the code to improve the code base. You can see the tools like Copilot and Cursor AI. There are a lot more tools right now in the market.
Yeah, true. But there here's the challenge, like reskilling. Since see, not everyone can easily switch careers or learn new tools. Especially people in a low skill or older workforce segments. So I would say that's where we might see growing inequalities.
So yeah, and honestly, companies and governments as well need to step up their A game here. So without like serious investments in these reskilling programs, a lot of people could be left behind in this very competitive job market.
Yeah, I mean that it's not about learning the code, right? How to code and how to develop a software. It's about like understanding how to work with alongside with the AI. It's like cultural. It's a total mind shift, right?
Yeah, that's completely true, Ravi. So let's continue to make this a bit more personal. Have you guys used any AI tools like yourselves?
I have been using Notion AI to help summarize my meeting notes. Like it's really useful, but like sometimes it misses the subtle things like someone expresses concern, but it doesn't explicitly say it. So those were my issues with that.
My side, like I use Grammarly a lot. Like helps me to like polish the emails and reports. It was great, and but it also doesn't always get the right tone. So especially if I'm writing something like a bit emotional or like more professional, like couldn't help me in the right way. So yeah.
Yeah, same here. I've been using the GitHub Copilot. It's like really amazing for some generic boilerplate code or small simple functions. But like when I'm working with something like really complex, which has a huge code base and stuff, I just can't completely rely on it per se. I still need to like fully understand the architecture before I can make use of these AI tools.
These tools help, but I don't think they can replace human judgment part. At least not yet, maybe.
Yeah, I completely agree on that, Poorna. Yeah. So, and like, all right, guys. So let's stir the pot a little bit. So, do you guys think AI will create more jobs than it has destroyed, like over the next decade?
Yeah, I'm cautiously optimistic. I think, yeah, a lot of jobs will be lost at first, like especially the repetitive ones, like I said before. But I believe over time we will see new industries and roles emerge, just like we did the internet revolution.
So I'm just bit more skeptical. Like if new jobs are created, will people able to like transition fast enough? Like I can see the speed of change right now is really crazy, right? So I'm just really worried about the education system and governments that couldn't able to keep up with the speed.
Yeah, that's completely a fair point, Ravi. So I personally think the safest roles will be the ones requiring like creativity and also emotional intelligence as well as leadership. So yes, there will be a disruption, but I strongly believe that there is also room for like a reinvention with the AI being brought into the scenario.
Yeah, maybe the focus shouldn't just be on whether the jobs are lost or gained, but how well we help people adjust to the new landscape. Yeah, that should be a point.
Yeah, that's right. So maybe we can just shift and go even more further. Like you guys think like how AI is affecting different countries.
Yeah, in advanced economics, AI drives innovation and efficiency, but they also have better safety nets and retraining programs.
That's true, Purna. But in like developing countries where low wage manual works is a big part of their economy, like AI driven automation could be really disruptive. I mean, I might like leapfrog over their industries, leaving a lot of people without jobs. What do you think about this, Ravi?
Yeah, Deepak, like that's why like global cooperation is so important. So we can't afford to just look at this issue through local lens. Like we need to look at inequality could get much more worse, right?
Yeah, that's true, Ravi. We must look at this at a like with a broader perspective. So yeah, so okay, here's a tricky one. Who's responsible when AI makes a harmful decision? What do you guys think about this?
Uh, that's complicated. I think companies should definitely be accountable, but developers also need to build systems ethically, right?
Yeah, and let's not forget governments. Like we need a proper regulation and oversight, right? We need someone who need to like write up regulation. We can just trust companies to do the right thing on their own.
True. That is a very good point, Ravi. So, and as users, we are also like having an equal responsibility to understand the limits of these tools we are using. It's like a shared burden, really. Everyone has equal responsibility here. That's what I feel. So, yeah, guys, all right. Let's each share one skill we think everyone should develop to stay relevant in this current job market.
For me, I would say it's adaptability. You have to be ready to learn, unlearn, and relearn. So yeah, that's how it's gonna work.
Yeah, that's really great. For me, I'd say creativity, like generating fresh human ideas that machines can't easily replicate. So that's my idea. So
That's a great insight, Ravi. So, and I'd like to add collaboration as well as leadership. No matter like how advanced AI and its features gets, we'll always need humans to work together along with this AI to build trust and also to guide various teams. So, yeah, guys, all right. As we wrap up, we want to leave you all with a few reflection questions. So, Purna, can you take it over?
Yep. I would ask, like, how is AI already showing up in your work or studies? Are there tools or trends you have noticed? Please go ahead with your comments.
okay, so I can think maybe what you can do today to prepare. Maybe it's taking an online course, experimenting with an AI tool, or just staying curious and up to date with the latest technologies. So,
So, yeah, everyone who are listening to this video, thank you so much for being a part of this conversation. We hope it gave you some insights and also maybe a bit of inspiration.
Yeah, guys. Like remember, the future isn't something that just happens to us. We get to shape it.
Yeah, so basically, like, let's build a future where AIs and humans work together to become like possible person. Like, thanks everyone for watching this video. Peace.
Thanks, guys. Bye bye.